Wow. It's actually, how many brushes is that? Only like, I think less than 10?
Yeah, less than 10.
Wow. Hi everyone. This is Hairdryer vlog, and for today's video, what are we gonna do, Nene? What are we gonna do, Kuya? So we are going to unbox another hair brush, the Hairdryer brush. This time it's from Marble Beauty Tools. Okay, so it's I don't know what is it called. Lower brush. Okay. All right. So if you guys are looking for something like this, or if you guys are interested to know what's the review and things like this of this product, keep on watching. Okay guys, so I hope that you guys watched my unboxing review for the Revlon hair dryer brush and straightener. And as for now, I'm actually loving it. But I decided that I want to try to compare it to a brush of the same kind, of the same purpose, but like, it's like not noni, but not, how do you say that? But not familiar name. So I decided to actually get this product because it seems like it has a nice review in Amazon. By the way, this is from Amazon. I bought it for about $37 after all the coupon, after the discount and stuff like that. So it has a good review, and I'm not sure actually if like I wanted to have one for the cottage and for home. Okay, so let's unbox this one and let's see what is the $37 quality. Okay, so it comes like this, as just like this, very simple. And it said here that it's straightening and dryer. It's just as simple as that. Straightener and dryer. And again, this is from Marble Beauty. Okay, so it's like that. And you open the box. Okay, more. Oh, okay, that's it. That's it. Just the the instruction guide or whatever. And this is the brush. Oh, very big. Also very big, and the bristle is a little bit pointy. Like there's two kinds of bristle, like a fine comb one and the one that you can, you know, like the normal bristle kind of thing. Okay, so, and it's, the color is kind of cute, purple, pinkish. And how many setting? So it has 3 setting: high, medium, I don't know if you guys can see, high, middle, and low. Okay, so let's try it out and let's see what does that mean. Okay. Oh, so this is low. This is on low setting. Okay, on low setting, and it gives you hot air. Wow, and it's actually pretty high for the low setting. Okay, it's hot air. So I guess there is no cool air. How come the low is even noisier? So I'm gonna put it in high. And it's a little bit noisy, and the air that's coming out is not as a strong heat. So that's already in the high. So let's try the low. It's low already. Okay, so the low is almost the same noise, but also it is still like hot air. Like kind of not as hot as the high, but it's also hot air. So let's try the medium. Okay. Okay, so it seems like, guys, this hairbrush only gives you hot air, okay? So there is no cool air that's coming out in any setting. So now let's try out how does it work. Oh, wow. Wow. It's actually, how many brushes is that? Only like, I think less than 10?
Yeah, less than 10.
Wow. Let's do more. Okay, so let's compare my hair here and my hair in the air. By the way, this is my hair when it's just got out of the shower, just air dry for a few minutes, and see a huge difference.
Yeah.
Wow. So this is it, my air dry hair, and this is the product of this one for $37. Wow. I'm just ashamed that this brush doesn't have the cool air option.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if really there's a huge difference, but I guess it does the job. Wow, there you go, guys, for $37 from Black Beauty. This is the result. Isn't it amazing? Like, I mean, it takes away the use of the comb, the use of the blow dryer and your comb.
Try Nini's hair.
Yeah, let's try your hair, Nene.
Okay.
No, she doesn't want to.
Too naughty.
Okay, so that's it, guys. That's all for my unboxing and review of this product. Their logos actually look really nice. So that's the review. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it for here or for the cottage. Yeah, I think it's a nice product. And thank you, guys. See you next time. Bye.